Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This week I'm back with another protective style, and you guys know I love me some protective styles. So in today's video I'm going to flat twist my hair, and this style is so quick and easy and definitely the perfect style to wear during these winter months. So if you're looking for a simple and cute hairstyle, this video is for you, so stay tuned and watch until the end for the results. For this style, guys, I am going to be using these two products here, the Cantu line with the coconut mist hold spray and the eco styling gel. So if you do keep up with my videos, then you know that I usually use the Lolly Body Mousse and the eco styling gel, but unfortunately I ran out of that, so I'm stuck with using this. I mean, it's okay, but I haven't used it since I first started going natural, so hopefully this kind of do the job, because I'm gonna have to run to the store and get that Lolly Body Mousse. So everyone knows when you do flat twist your hair has to be attached to your scalp. So for me, I thought this would be a little bit easier since all I'm doing is just twisting my hair to my scalp. Thoughts. For some reason, I always have a hard time gripping my hair in the back. So yes, guys, I was starting to struggle with this one little piece. But I mean, as I started to get closer to the front, I got a little bit better. But as of now, you're going to see me struggling. Show you guys my progress before I get to the front. So yeah, so majority of the video, as you guys can see, I have fast forward through the parts of me twisting my hair, but I did want to show you guys my progress of me twisting my hair to my scalp. Like I said earlier, I'm not the best at gripping my hair, mainly in the back. I'm not sure why I have issues with that, but as I got closer to the front of my hair, my grip got a little bit tighter, so I'm thankful for that, and I think I'm doing pretty good so far. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but with any style that I do, I'm always wearing my hair in the middle. So this time I decided to switch it up and wear my hair different. I wanted to do a side part for this style, but I was a little skeptical at first because I'm so used to wearing my hair a certain way no matter what the style is. But it's almost 2020, right? So let's switch things up. Results of this hairstyle. So let's get into this look. You have this side, and then on this side, and then the back. Yes. Yes. I'm just kidding. I really do like how this protector style came out. I thought it would come out a little bit, but it actually came out better than I thought, and it's pretty cute. And the reason why I like this protective style better than the other ones that I have done, because it was very simple and easy to do, and it did not take me long at all. I think because I made the twist a little bit bigger. But I do thank you guys for watching. If you do like how this hairstyle came out, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.